Hey guys, what's going on? Sir Lewis here. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys here Bitcoin technical analysis, in my opinion, on the market as of right now. But before I even start this video, let me show you guys here this comment from a video that I made a month ago called Why I Believe Bitcoin is Going Under 20K with Technical Analysis. And I'll leave the comment up here so you guys can look and read. But this guy basically said that he doesn't believe Bitcoin will ever go below 30K ever again in his eyes. And he said Terra Labs is buying 125 million a day of BTC, which they recently just sold. And he also said that he hopes it does go below 30K because he's hating himself for not getting more than 50 Luna last year, and then I could load up. Well, here's your chance. Luna at the moment is like $20, $19 last time I checked, so this is your chance to get more Luna. But with all due respect, guys, I'm not a professional trader. I don't claim to be. This is all just my opinion, not financial advice, of course. But I do want to speak against these people, especially crypto YouTubers out there who were super hyped, super bullish about a month ago, a couple weeks ago, about the crypto market, saying, you know, hey, we're gonna go have altcoin season this, the bottom is in, buy Bitcoin, when it was around 45K and stuff like that. There's so many YouTubers, you guys know who I'm talking about. And I myself, along with a couple few YouTubers out there, were super bearish, and just so many people just hated us, you know, for being bearish. As you guys can see here in my video a month ago, Bitcoin going under 20K, which I still do believe will happen. This one right here, why a crypto bear market is good for long term. You guys can check out all those videos, and I basically talk about my opinion why I think the market is bearish. We got another one right here where I made how to stake your stablecoin for a bear market, and I'm basically just talking about why I'm going to be staking stablecoins on like Celsius and other platforms. These two are 3 months ago, where Bitcoin is heading, Bitcoin technical analysis, and the exact price Bitcoin will bottom for 2022. 3 months ago, these two videos were super bearish, and as you guys know, during that time, there was probably like 90% of the YouTubers out there were like super bullish. There was actually a day where we had some crazy squeezes up to like 45K, and people were just going crazy, saying we were in a bull market and all that stuff. But again, we all make mistakes. The thing I want you guys to understand is that a lot of these crypto people, crypto YouTubers on Twitter, on YouTube, they sort of live in a crypto bubble. And they really don't look at the world. They don't look at macroeconomics. They don't look at the supply chain. They don't look at inflation. They don't look at geopolitics. And all these things, including our economy, has a huge impact in the crypto world. But they don't care about this. It's like they live in this crypto bubble, and they just look at the TA, they look at on-chain analytics, they look at the logarithmic chart for Bitcoin. And don't get me wrong, that's all important. But what you need to understand is the overall economy, macroeconomics, geopolitics. This will have the majority of the impact in all the markets, including the crypto markets. And during that time, I studied the macroeconomics, inflation going up, the Fed raising rates, looking at the average person in this economy and how everybody is struggling right now with rent going up, food prices going up. You need to look at the average person in the economy right now and see if we are in a good economy. That's how you judge the economy and whether the crypto markets will do good or not. So let this be a lesson to a lot of you guys out there that love watching these overhyped crypto YouTubers just talking about altcoin season and all this bullcrap. No, don't get me wrong. I'm excited. I love crypto. My channel is all about crypto, but I'm a realist, and I'm going to tell you face to face what I think about the crypto market. I'm not going to tell you everything's going to be okay and we're going to 100K and all-time highs. And that's exactly what I did. I told you guys that we were super bearish, and as you guys can see right now, the markets are pretty bearish. Now, of course, that doesn't mean that we won't have a bounce up. And let me get here to the TA, which a lot of you guys want to see. I'm going to show you guys here some technical analysis, which I do have a new indicator that I discovered. At the moment, it's my favorite indicator. I'm going to talk all about it right here. But like I said, this doesn't mean that we won't have a huge bounce back up, you know, trying to get everybody back on that bull train, like many of these bull traps that we had here in the past. But currently right now, we are around 30,372 if you're watching this around this time. I'm going to give you guys here my opinion on Bitcoin right now. Where do I think it's going? Some resistance and supports to look at. Okay, so let me talk here about this indicator, which I love. It's called the order block finder. I actually talked about it in my latest live stream, which I am live streaming. So if you guys want to participate in my live streams, subscribe and put that notification bell as well. And yeah, it's called Order Block Finder. You can go right here in indicators and you search up Order Block Finder. It's right here. Okay. And basically what this indicator does, it tells you where there was a lot of either huge sell orders or huge buy orders. And these moments are super important because we can see where there's huge resistance at and huge support at just basically looking here. So for example, I'm going to show you how accurate this indicator is. So right over here, just this small one right here, it's saying bull because there was huge buy orders right over here. And then what happens next? Boom, 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 right? It's bullish. Right over here, it says it's bearish because there was huge sell orders, like really, really big sell orders. And look at this, boom, 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 we're bearish. Right over here as well, a lot of sell orders, and then boom, 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 right? This is a super accurate indicator, and I love it for scalp trading. If you're scalp trading on the 1 minute, 5 minute, this indicator is probably the best one, to be honest. Even for long term as well. But let's look here at Bitcoin currently right here. Again, like I said, I do expect a bounce up to around 33 and possibly even 36, maybe 37, but I would be surprised if we push up above 37. The minimum, in my opinion, 40, because there's just a huge resistance here around 40 and 41. As you guys can see here, even this order block, we have a huge sell wall right over here around 41,000. I'm right here on the hourly, and we have an order block right here, which is super bearish. Basically means that there was a lot of sell orders right here, heavy sell orders. And look at this. Look how accurate this indicator is. This is why I love it. So I do expect this to come right here. You see this line right here? I do expect this to come back here and test this 33. And what I love too is this site right here. I love this site, Quantify Crypto. It tells you here in just one screen, live time, the market cap, all that stuff. And it tells you the support and resistance for you. And the resistance for Bitcoin is around 33. It's 32,900, but around 33. So I do expect us to test that resistance of around 33,000, and possibly we can even go back up here to 36, around 35, which is the last huge block order. As you guys can see right here, there's just a lot of resistance right over here. Bear, bear, bear. So going above 37,000 would surprise me, but again, this can definitely happen, and it can happen in a short squeeze. And this can get all the bulls back in, and then we can have another crash in the future to go back into the 20s. So these are my resistance levels. I do expect us to bounce here. Just looking here at the stochastic RSI, we're pretty oversold. Hourly, we're pretty oversold for the RSI stochastic. On the daily as well, look at this right here. Let's look here at the weekly. On the weekly, we're still coming down a little bit. And on the monthly, we're pretty oversold too on the stochastic RSI. So that is why I expect the bounce. But in the long run, I still do think that we're going to go under 20K, like I said in my last video, just because I do think that we are already confirmed in the bear market. And you guys know what Bitcoin does in every bear market. It crashes 80%, around 80%, maybe 90%, correct me if I'm wrong, from its all-time high. And if you go 80% from its all-time high, it would be somewhere around $20,000, 18, 19, around there. And the crazy part is that that is exactly where the 200 weekly MA is at, which Bitcoin hits every single bear market. So yeah guys, that's my opinion at the moment. Long term, I am still bearish. I do think that there will be better opportunities here to buy Bitcoin, but again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is just my opinion. Please make your own financial decisions. I'm not a financial advisor. And yeah, thank you guys again for watching my videos. Join my free Discord. It's 100% free. I have a TA alert section that you guys can share your own TA knowledge, and it's basically just a friendly crypto community that I just want to build organically. So you guys are welcome to come and join. And yeah, thank you guys again. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.